Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, we are going to discuss the Tron TRX crypto. What's going on in the Tron, my friends? You know what? In this video, we are going to discuss the previous fast of the Tron, my friends. You know what? In a previous time, the price of Tron is very badly fast down. So now it's time, the bad time of TRX crypto is over, and now it is the beginning of good time, my friends. So first of all, congratulations. And guys, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Now this time the price of the Tron TRX crypto is 0.05605 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the TRX. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so positive 0.36%, the price changes is positive, and negative 2.73%, the price is negative in the last one day, and negative last 1 week change is also negative 10.44%. My friends, that's clear that at the previous time, you can see I'm talking about the previous last 1 month. From the last 1 month, from the last 40 days, the price of TRX is completely going down. Not only the TRX price is going down, a lot of cryptocurrencies price is very badly dumps now in a previous time, but especially I'm talking about TRX, that now TRX is very badly fast down, my friends. Anyways, we can't see about the future. Maybe the price will pump in the future, maybe the price take a huge pump in the future, but I think there's no possibilities that the price start pumping now. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, my friends. You know what, my prediction is going positive about TRX, and I predicated TRX that after 1-2 days there's a possibility that the price will pump and you will get profit, my friends. But don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you're doing good, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.